स्टार इंडिया के पूर्व सीईओ पीटर मुखर्जी की पत्नी और आईएनएक्स मीडिया की पूर्व सीईओ इंद्राणी मुखर्जी मर्डर केस में गिरफ्तार की गई हैं। अब खुलासा यह हुआ है कि इंद्राणी ने अपनी ही बेटी शीना बोरा की हत्या की। बेटी शीना के बारे में इंद्राणी ने दुनिया से राज छिपाकर रखा था, यहां तक कि अपने पति पीटर मुखर्जी को भी अंधेरे में रखा। बेटी को बहन बताकर सामने लाती रही। इंद्राणी ने पुलिस के सामने यह कबूल किया कि इंद्राणी की वो बेटी थी, यानी शीना इंद्राणी की बेटी थी। एक और बड़ा खुलासा यह है कि इंद्राणी के पति पीटर मुखर्जी ने दावा किया है कि शीना के उनके बेटे से संबंध थे, यानी शीना के पीटर के बेटे से संबंध थे, यानी पति पत्नी के बच्चों के बीच आपस में संबंध। ये खुलासे पुलिस के सामने जो पूछताछ हुई उसमें हुए हैं। इंद्राणी और पीटर पहले से शादीशुदा थे, दोनों के बच्चे भी हैं और पीटर के मुताबिक इन दोनों के बीच रिश्ते की बात सामने आ रही है। इंद्राणी और पीटर पहले से शादीशुदा थे, दोनों के बच्चे हैं, लेकिन अब इंद्राणी मुखर्जी की गिरफ्तारी अपनी ही बेटी शीना की हत्या के आरोप में हुई है। पूछताछ के दौरान इंद्राणी ने कबूल किया कि शीना उनकी बहन नहीं बल्कि बेटी थी। और पीटर मुखर्जी ने जो फोनो दिया, यानी फोन इंटरव्यू दिया टाइम्स नाउ को, उसमें कबूल किया कि उनके बेटे और शीना के बीच रिश्ते थे। इंद्राणी मुखर्जी की बेटी शीना के मर्डर केस में इंद्राणी की गिरफ्तारी हुई और उसके बाद नए खुलासे इस पूरे मामले में हो रहे हैं। सुनिए पीटर मुखर्जी ने टाइम्स नाउ से क्या कहा।
You know, I haven't actually been watching the news, unfortunately, but my understanding on this entire thing is, I'm really in a state of complete shock. I have not experienced anything like this before. The news that I'm getting about the kind of crime that has been committed is something that I would not have expected in a million years. And whatever information, whatever help the police need, I'm happy to give them that, and be absolutely straight and clear with them, and cooperate with them completely. I have no.
I get your point, sir. So
I don't understand at all what is happening with regard to my wife, and whether Sheena Bora is her sister. Which is what I've believed all these last 15 years of my marriage, and whether now I'm being told that she's possibly a daughter, and possibly the person who I thought was the brother is now her son from an earlier marriage, which I was not aware of. I was aware of one marriage, but not from any other. So there are a whole number of things that are now appearing on the landscape, which are completely new to me.
During the course of your marriage, you would have met Sheena Bora herself, but did she never tell you that she was a daughter? Did this topic never be?
No, because I was told that by Indrani that Sheena is sister, and Sheena maintained that. So Sheena has never told me that she was a daughter. My son, at one point, who was in a relationship with Sheena, had said to me that Sheena, this is not correct. She's not a sister. She's a daughter. But I dismissed that at the time because I didn't think that was true, and I said, look, my Indrani has told me that is not so, and I obviously believe my wife. So I continued to maintain that, so much so that it caused a rift between me and my son as a consequence. So I haven't spoken to him for the last 3 years.
But the lady in question was missing since 2012, so did you at any point...
I understand, but it's missing is something that I'm only finding out now. I was told by my wife, who was in touch with Sheena all the way through, that she's now gone on to the United States. And I was given, I'm not on Facebook, but I was shown photographs of Sheena at a Diwali function, etc., from, wherever in Los Angeles or wherever she was. I had no contact. I had no contact number. I didn't have an email contact in that sense. So that, I had no means of verifying either of that, so it was not a question. As I say, my son had told me that, look, something is not right about this. Why is Sheena not come back home? And I said, look, because I think, parents were not happy with your relationship to be in place. So they've kind of asked her to move off to the US, and they've kind of helped her to go there. So best you leave that situation as it is. And that was my advice to him. And he, of course, didn't find that acceptable, and which is why he stopped communicating with me for the last 3 years.
So in the light of what's coming out now, how do you perceive what is being told to you in the past?
You know, as I say, I'm in shock. I'm really finding it hard to process this information into my mind in the various sort of different renditions of it that are being given to me. You know, I've gone along in my married life for the last 15 years and under a certain kind of understanding, and that understanding all of a sudden has now been completely transformed into something new. So I don't know. I really don't know how to react to that.
But despite your sons, casting some doubts about Miss Bora's, place of location, you did not find it, possible to take it up with your wife at that point of time?
No, I did take it up with my wife, and she said, look, she's gone to the US. So I left it at that because, the whole subject of Sheena and my son and discussing it with with my wife was a very, very sensitive issue because she was, there was a lot of unhappiness in that relationship, as a result of that relationship. So, it was a kind of a matter that was not discussed.
Right. So one last question is, in the course of the probe, you may be required to depose before the police, and so would your son be required. I'm sure you'd cooperate with them.
Of course, absolutely.
और इस बातचीत के दौरान पीटर मुखर्जी ने एक बार कहा कि उनके बेटे ने उन्हें बताया था कि शीना दरअसल इंद्राणी की बेटी हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने इस बात को दरकिनार कर दिया और अपनी पत्नी की बात मानी।